NCERT Physics Class 11 7th chapter, which is System of Particle and Rotational Motion, question number 7.6. In this, find the component of along xyz of angular momentum L of a particle if position vector is given and linear momentum p is given. So the position vector r can be written as xi cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and the linear momentum in vector format can be written as pxi cap plus py j cap plus pz k cap. As we all know, the value of angular momentum can be written by r cross p, where r represent position vector and p represent linear momentum. So the value of r cross p can be founded by the method of determinant. So in order to find the value through determinant, we are going to substitute the value in the following way. First, r is written, so the value of r will come, that is xyz, and that the value of p, that is px, py, pz. On solving this determinant, the value which you are going to have, that the value of angular momentum which comes out to be y into pz minus z into py along I cap plus z into px minus of x into pz along j cap. And the last part is x into py minus y into px along k cap. So this is angular momentum. Now he is asking the component along xyz. So clearly we can say this is component of angular momentum along x, this is component of angular momentum along y, and this is component of angular momentum along z. Now other part what he is trying to say is that if particle move only in xy plane, this implies that z is equal to 0 and pz is equal to 0. Now in the value of momentum, angular momentum, if you substitute the value of pz and z equal to 0, pz and z equal to 0, so clearly from this we can say this term is cancel out, this term is cancel out, on the value of this will left. So for xy plane indicate that z is equal to 0 and pz is equal to 0. For z equal to 0, pz equal to 0, the angular momentum which will left only, that is equal to Lz. And the value of Lz is written as x into py minus y into px.